everybody. It's me, Jennifer.
And Alyssa.
And we're here at ADT in our health and wellness cooking class. And today we are going to start our segment of 3 things to do with.
And today it's 3 things to do with raspberries.
Perfect. Today we are going to learn 3 fun ways to use raspberries.
But first, let's talk about some fun facts. First fun fact is that raspberries have more vitamin C than an orange.
That's right. And there are actually over 200 varieties of the raspberry, including purple and yellow ones.
That's a lot.
Yeah, and the yellow ones are actually supposed to be the sweetest. So I'm keeping my eyes open for some of those.
Me too. And the next thing is that it's really silly. Even though they're called a raspberry, they're not part of the berry family. They're actually related to roses.
That's right. And you may see a berry that looks like a raspberry growing off of trees. Don't eat that one. You will not be happy. But do know that raspberries actually grow on a vine.
Oh!
Okay, guys, let's get started. As you can see, Alyssa and I are both wearing our masks. We've washed our hands and we're wearing our gloves to be safe and sanitary.
That's right.
Today we're going to use raspberries, making 3 fun things. First, we'll be hand mashing raspberries in a Ziploc bag to make a spreadable treat. Second, we'll freeze some to put into our teas and our beverages.
Cool.
Third, we'll use it as a topping on our favorite breakfast item, cereal or yogurt.
Right. And here are some things that you're going to need to make these recipes. First, you'll need a pint of raspberries, which is about this much that you get in a container. Then you'll need a Ziploc bag. You'll need an ice cube tray, a spoon, and a snack of your choice. We have rice cakes.
Perfect. Let's get started.
All right.
Perfect. The first thing we're going to prepare are our hand mashed raspberries in a Ziploc so we can have a nice spreadable treat. So I'm going to add a couple of big spoonfuls into your Ziploc. Perfect.
All right. Make sure you close your bag so you don't get the raspberries everywhere.
Exactly. Now, are they easy to mash with your hands?
They are. And it's fun. It feels good.
Very cool. Well, when they're pretty broken up,
All right. It looks good.
we can open it up.
All right. And I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to spread my mashed raspberries on my special treat, which is a rice cake. And it's going to be delicious.
And what a beautiful, vibrant color. Very nice.
Yes.
For me, I like to add a little bit of flavor to my teas and my waters. So what I'm going to do is take the raspberries and put a few in each space in my ice cube tray. I'll add some water, put them in the freezer for a few hours, and later I'll have a nice, refreshing, tasty ice cube to add to my beverage.
What kind of drinks can I put these in?
Anything from your water, your juices, and your iced teas, even lemonade.
That sounds great.
Really tasty.
One more thing that I like to do with raspberries is put it on something else, like my favorite cereal or yogurt.
Wow, that's a really good idea.
I can just take them right out of the container after I wash them and just sprinkle them on top, add my milk, and then I've got a good cereal.
Really nice.
And a good tip that I was taught is that you can freeze your raspberries to avoid wasting them and so they won't go bad.
That is great. Well, let's get our stuff made and we'll try it.
All right.
Wow, look at this. This is so cool.
I know, it looks so good too.
3 things that we can do with raspberries that are so fun. First, we're going to try our rice cake snacks with our mashed raspberries on top.
That was my favorite part, mashing the raspberries.
So cool. And then, my favorite is we're going to use some of our berry ice cubes and put them in some iced tea.
Yum. And then I'm going to have this, I think, for lunch. Or breakfast tomorrow. I'll make the same thing.
Very cool. So, remember, small portions, snacks are great, and always drink more water. Fun. And I'm just going to ask everyone out there, are raspberries good for you?
Heck yeah!
So, thank you so much for being here today with us.
Thank you.
Remember, eat more fruit.
And eat, drink,
And be healthy. Rice trick. That is done.